Today we're going to open this Hasbro's Play School Heroes Marvel Superhero Adventures Spider-Man.
And right here.
It's an action figure plus racing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And right here in the back, Dina or you the Kojak, a Wolverine, and it's a different Wolverine. It's yellow with black. And this is Captain America right here. And right here you did a big battle with Electro, Hulk, Iron Man, Spiderman, Wolverine, and Captain America, and Venom.
Okay, but now we're going to open the Spider-Man with Web Racer.
Yeah, that is the web racer, and then the Spiderman egg comes with, okay? Yet open it, okay? Open it up here.
Open it, Taylor!
Oh, wait, okay. This is it, open the back. I'm going to pin it around so you don't see what it is.
So Spider-Man can stand up on his web racer.
Yeah, or if you
So
want,
he can ride.
or if you want to make, if you want him to sit down, you would like make Spider-Man. You can't make him sit down because it can't fit. So,
Okay, he's supposed to just stand up, Liam. He can't sit down.
yeah. Okay, so this is how he rated. Oh, you want it to go?
Okay.
Now you got this. This is how he rated. Look.
Taylor, look.
Spider Doom. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.